Hello students, welcome back to a statistics channel. I hope you are understanding from these videos. Today we are discussing about further central tendency, that is a geometric mean and harmonic mean. The last two measures that we will discuss and we will solve some examples. Okay, here the geometric mean. Geometric mean. What is the geometric mean? Okay, geometric mean is nothing but it is the nth root of a product of n observations in a series. It is a nth root. Just I am giving you the formula here. Nth root, if you have to take it, the root of the values x1, x2, the variables up to a xn. For example, if you are considering as a cube root or a square root of this, the one example is given in the textbook. Find the geometric mean of 2 and 8. You can calculate easily. The square root of this is square root of x1 and x2, and x1 and x2 is nothing but the values what is given, the variable 2 into 8, that is 16. The square root of 16, that is equals to a 4 is the answer. The one more example is given in the question, that is a 5u, okay, 1, 5 and 25. 1, 5 and 25. It is a cube root. Here the square root is given. Square root of this is 1 into 5 into 25, and that is equals to the square root of 125. You are getting answer. Cube root of this one is, you are getting as answer as 5. This, if the values are less, you can calculate easily the geometric mean. It is a nth root. Okay, we can calculate easily. If the values are more, then we are using a logarithms. We are using a logarithms of this. Okay. With the help of logarithms, we will take a formulas. For a raw data, nodrile, if values ಸಣ್ಣ 2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ 3 ಇತ್ತು, we can calculate easily by a square root or cube root. But when the values are more, with the help of logarithms, the formula is given as g is equals to the nt log of summation of log x divided by n. Okay. For tabulated data, the nt log of summation of f into log x divided by capital N, you have to take it capital N. Okay. Then these two are the formulas of this is the raw data. When x values is given, then we are considering as a log x divided by number of values. Afterwards, we will take it as a anti-logarithm. Then the tabulated data, the frequency is given. Okay, the x log x we have to take it f into log x divided by total of frequency or capital N. Okay, then we will solve our examples over here. The one example, just I will take it from the textbook only. Okay, here calculate geometric mean for the following data. Just either square root or cube root we can calculate easily, but here the values are more, values are there, then we are using we are considering as a log x of these values. Okay, these values just you observe 65, 169, 11, 112.5, these values is given. We have to write it as a x value. Just I am writing here. The first, just I will show you 65, 169, 11 and 112.5 and 14.2. Okay, only a few values I am taking. Then we have to take it. This is given in the question. Calculate a geometric mean. Then for logarithms, how to take a logarithms? Okay. First, if have to write these values characteristic. Characteristics, how to write a characteristic? Then here the 1 and 2. The 2 digit is there. If have to minus it 1, then it becomes as a 1 point. 1 point. Here 1, 2, 3. Then you have to take it as a 3 values are there. 3 digit is there. Then you have to take it as a 2 point. 1 and 2. Then you have to take it as a 1 point. Here the 1, 2, 3. Before decimal point you have to see 1, 2, 3. Then you have to take it as a 2 point. Here also before decimal point you have to take it. That is 1 and 4. 2 digit is there. That's why you have to take it as a 1 point. Okay. Then afterwards, how to see a logarithms means 65 logarithms column. We will supply it, the statistical table we will supply in the examination, final examination. Nimage final exam olaga statistical table annu kodtada. ಆ statistical table ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು logarithms ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Then 65 in 0 column, nothing is there in the next means you have to take it as a 0. We will see here. Okay. First one is 65 in 0 column. 65 in 0 column, just you observe. Just you observe here, the 65 in 0 column is 8129. If I have to write it as a 8129 here. That is called as a meant as a 8129. The same way we have to take it as a 16 in 9th column. First 2 digit you have to take it 16 and the third one you have to see it in the column wise. That is 16 in 9th column. 16 in 9th column, that is 2279. 2279, you have to write it here. 2279. Then the nothing is there in the next, that's why you have to take it as 11 in 0 column. Again you have to see 11 in 0 column, that is a 0414. You have to write it as a 0414. The same way, just you take 11 in second column. 11 in second column, what is the value? That is 11 in second column 0492. But fifth as a 0472. Okay. Then the fifth one, the one more value is there, fourth value, that you have to see it in the mean difference. You have to see the mean difference, that is a 5. 5 is, you have to add it as a 19 here. You have to add it 19, then it becomes as a 0491. 0491. Then 14 in second column. 14 in second column, that is 1823. It's not a 1823, it is a 1523. If I have to write it and take a total of this. Take a total of these values. Okay. We will take a total of this one. And then we are substituting it in the formula. Okay. Here 1.8129 plus 2.2279 plus 1.0414 plus 2.0491 plus 1.1523. Okay. Then it is a 8.2836. 8.2836. 0.2836. Okay. Then we will substitute it in the formula, that is a G is equals to NT log of summation of log x divided by n, small n. NT log of this 8.2836 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided by 5 values only we consider, that we have to take it divided by 5. We are getting as a 1.6567. 1 NT log of 1.6567. Okay. Then in NT logarithm column we have to see it 0.65 in 6th column and 7 as a mean difference. After NT logarithms column it is there NT logarithms ಐತಲ್ಲೇ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 0.65 in 7th column 4529. Okay, then 7 as a mean difference you have to add it. Here 0.65 you have to see, and 4529, and you have to add it as a 7 for this. Then you are getting as a 4, this is a 9 plus 7, that is a 16, 3 and 5. 4, 5, 3, 6, but it is a 1 point is there, that's why we have to give a point after 2 values, after 2 digits, that is answer is 45.36 is a answer. This is answer 45.36. The logarithms you have to take it, then you substituted the value and you calculated as a 45.36. Okay, then we will take it as a, this one is a raw data. Then we will take it as a tabulated data. Tabulated data in the sense they are giving as a x and f. X and f they are giving. Just we will take it from a text. I explain here only. Okay. The following data gives the diameters of a screws obtained in a sample inquiry. Calculate a geometric mean. Hello students. Here the x is given and frequency is given. Then you have to take it as a log x of these values. Log x of these values means 13 in 0 column. First you have to write the characteristics. Here just you observe 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All 3 digit is there. That's why they considered as a characteristics as a 2 point, 2 point, 2 point, 2 point, 2 point. Then 13 in 0 column, 13 in 5th column, 14 in 0 column, 14 in 5th column, like that. In the from table the logarithms they considered. The logarithms you have to take all the values, 2 point that one, 2 point that one. Then you have to multiply these two columns, f into log x, f into a log x you have to multiply and take a total of this f into a log x, f into total of this one, f into log x, that is a 66.771. Then geometric mean of NT log of summation of f into log x divided by capital N. Then f into log x is this one, 66.7710. Okay. Then divided by capital N is a 31. Capital N is 31. Divided by that 31. Then we are getting as a NT logarithms. NT log of 2.1539. Then you have to check that one. Just I will show you. 0.15. You have to take a 0.15. NT logarithm column ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ NT logarithm ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು 0.15 ಒಳಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ 9 ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ತದ. 15 ಒಳಗೆ 0.15 ಒಳಗೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 9 ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ 9 ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ಜೊಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 142.5. 0.5 how they gave 2 point is there. 2 point means exactly ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Then this is a answer. Then the next one is you have to take it as a class interval. How to take class intervals is also very easy. Only you have to take the midpoints of that. The example 32. Calculate the geometric mean for the following frequency distribution. The class interval and frequency is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, okay, up to 40 to 50 is given. The class interval and the frequency is given in the question. You are writing the frequency also. But this x midpoint of this values 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is a 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, you are getting as a midpoints of this. This after taking this x, you have to take it as a log x. Log ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 5 ಅದ, a single digit is there, that's why the characteristics you have to take it as 0 point. Here 2 digit 1 point, 2 digit 1 point, 2 digit 1 point, 2 digit 1 point. Then if no values in this, then you have to consider as a 50 in 0 column. 50 in 0 column you are getting as a 699. Then 15 in 0 column next. 25 in 0 column. 35 in 0 column. 45 in 0 column. If nothing is there in the next, you have to take it as a 0, 0, 0. Okay. After taking this log x, don't take a log x because it is a frequency is given. It is a continuous case. That's why f into log x you have to multiply. F into log x you have to multiply these two columns and the summation of f into log x. Then this you are getting as a 63.5406. Then you substituted in the formula, that is 63.5406 divided by capital N is 50. Then NT log of 1.2708. 1.2708, that is geometric mean is equals to 18.6. Okay, 18.65, how it is came means the 0.27 in 0 column and 8 as a mean difference. Fourth value ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. 0.27 ಒಳಗೆ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 8 ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then it is a 1 point is there, that's why you have to take after 2 digit you have to give a point here. After 2 digit you have to give a point, that is 18.65 is a answer. Okay. This completes a geometric mean problems. Geometric mean problems. Okay. Then we will take it as a harmonic mean over here. Okay. The harmonic mean, after geometric mean, the last measure is a harmonic mean. Okay. The harmonic mean, here, what is a harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations. Harmonic mean is a nothing but it is a reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observation. ಎರಡು reciprocal ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ. Then just I will show you it in the formula. It is a H.M. We will take it as it is denoted as H.M. Just I am writing is a H only. Then here small n divided by summation of 1 by x. Summation of 1 by x. Nodri. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the set of observations. This is a formula of raw data. For tabulated data, H is equals to capital N divided by summation of f divided by x. F divided by x. Illi bare 1 by x f frequency kottaga capital N divided by summation of f divided by x is a formula. Okay, this is a tabulated data. This is a raw data. Okay, we will calculate one example over here. One example, if they give any one, I will take for raw data. Okay, calculate harmonic mean for the following data. Then any one value that is 2, 4, 8, 10. Okay, these are the x values they will give. Then you have to take it in the column wise, that is a 2, 4, 8, 10. Then 1 divided by x you have to take it. 1 divided by x. 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10 you have to do it here. Just you calculate 1 divided by 2. What is this one? 0.5. Then 1 divided by 4, that is equal to a 0.25. Then 1 by 8, that is equal to 0.125, and 1 divided by 10 we will take it, that is a 0.1. Okay, then we are adding these all values, 0.1 plus 0.125 plus 0.25 plus 0.5. Then we are getting as a 0.975. 975 is a total of this. Then how many values here? The h is equals to n, 4. 4 divided by 0.975. Then we have to calculate 4 divided by 0.975. Then we are getting as a 4.1025. HM is equals to a 4.10. Okay, this is the answer. Is very easy. 1 by x you have to take a total of that one and you are substituting it in the formula. That is a harmonic mean, raw data. Then what is a tabulated data? How to calculate a tabulated data? Just I will show it in the, I will take it in the textbook, from textbook. Okay. This is one example is given as a find harmonic mean for raw data only 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6 and 1 by 8. The next they considered, but when we are considering a denominator of denominator, that comes as a numerator. 1 by x we are considering 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the 1 by x is total of 20. The total is 20. N divided by summation of 1 by x is 20. That is a 1 by 5. That is a 0.2 is the answer. Then calculate the harmonic mean for the following data. X is given and frequency is given. X values and frequency values. X and frequency. F divided by x. F divided by x means 3 divided by 12. 5 divided by 14. 9 divided by 16. 4 divided by 18. 2 divided by 20. Then you are calculating a total of this. F divided by x total is 1.4918. Then capital N. What is a capital N? Capital N is a total of this. Total of this is a 23. 23 divided by 1.4918. Then we are getting answer as 15.418 is a answer. Very easy sums. And if we considered as a class interval problem, calculate the harmonic mean for the following distribution. Then class interval is given. The frequency is given in the question. Then we have to take it as this midpoint of this class interval. 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that is a 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5 is the midpoints of this. Then f divided by x, mat ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. f divided by x you have to take it 20 divided by 2.5, then 25 divided by 7.5, then you are getting a f divided by x. The total of f by x, that is a 16.2933. Then HM is equals to capital N. Capital N is 123. 123 divided by f by x, that is a 16.2933. Then we are getting answer as 7.5491. Okay, HM is The answer is, then the formula as a must and should, all the formulas carries a 1 mark here. Then answer is 7.5491. This completes the geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay, mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic must and should, they ask questions. 5 marks ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 marks ಬರ್ತದ, ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, average speed, average growth problems I will show you. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Okay, subscribe, like and comment the video. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ರಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಚಾನಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್.